Hello little explorers! Are you ready for some laugh out loud animal facts? Get comfy, open your curious minds, and let's count down the top 10 funniest animal facts. Let's go! Number 10, snails. Did you know some snails can sleep for 3 whole years? That's one seriously long nap. Wake up, sleepy snail. Number 9, elephants. Elephants are big and strong, but guess what? They are the only animals that can't jump. Not even a tiny hop. Bowing? Nope. Number 8, dogs. Dogs are super sniffers. They can smell how you're feeling. Happy, scared, or even nervous. Now that's what I call a furry friend. Number 7, the octopus. These sea creatures are really clever. They can escape from jars, squeeze through tiny holes, and even open bottles. Look, this octopus is stuck in a jar. Now it's halfway out, wiggly arms and all. Boom! Told you. Total escape artist. Number 6, lizards. Some lizards can drop their tails to trick enemies. Don't worry, they grow a new one. It's the ultimate tale of escape. See? I lost my tail, but it'll grow back soon. Number 5, cows. Mooing news. Cows have best friends and get sad when they're apart. Cow cuddles for the win. Number 4, frogs. Frogs don't sip water like we do. They soak it up through their skin. It's like their skin has invisible straws. Number 3, penguins. When a penguin falls in love, he finds the perfect pebble and proposes. If she says yes, they're penguin partners for life. With snowflakes, it's love penguin style. Cold feet, warm hearts, and one very sparkly rock. Number 2, koalas. Koalas can sleep for up to 22 hours a day. That's almost all day. They're the real napping champions. And the number 1 spot goes to giraffes. Their tongues are so long, they can clean their own ears. But also, wow! That was a funny bunch of animal facts. Which one was your favorite? Visit us at www.little-hearts-haven.com to tell us. Thanks for watching. Tap that like button, subscribe for more fun, and remember, stay curious, and we'll see you next time. Coming up next, top 10 space facts that will blow your mind. Blast off with us soon. Until then, stay curious, little hearts.